Yo, how are you doing, Crypto Legends? Yala is here. So in this video we will take a quick look on the crypto market, how Bitcoin is going on, how is some altcoins are feeling. So let's begin. Okay, so usually I delete sometimes what I was thinking during the past periods, but this time it's still here, so we can take a look. So basically nailed this move. So it was on the 27th of April. And let's see my thinking at that time. So you can understand what I mean by this arrows. So let's replay this episode. And basically it was late evening by UTC time, and Bitcoin was hanging around $24,500 per Bitcoin. So it was here, and I checked liquidity pockets at the time. So basically liquidity pockets, who doesn't know, it's leveraged traders with liquidations price at some levels. So it's there are services where you can check and they are more or less correct from my experience. So you can basically see the others liquidations prices. So it's a big advantage and big alpha. Big age you can tell. So the link on that service you will find in the description. You can use it, or you cannot use it. The choice is yours. Anyway, so at the time Bitcoin was hanging around at these levels, and let's repeat. Where is that button? Where is the button? So it's forward, I think. One step forward, this button, I guess. Long time didn't use this function on the trading view. So yeah, here we can see. Let's maybe let's switch to the simple view, so it will not distract. This indicator will not distract us. So at this time I was thinking, so liquidity was here above, basically above 24.5 and below 94.5 and below 93.6 till 93. So small pockets, but still they are attractive to the market makers. So usually they are getting targeted. So my basic analysis was that from this level, Bitcoin can go up, grab first this liquidity above, and then go down. So this was my target, if it goes this way, or it could grab this liquidity first, and then I was going to reassess the chart, so reassess the behavior. So usually if it grabs that liquidity and bounces back quickly, that means that we will go above for this liquidity at minimum and probably above, probably higher. So Bitcoin was hanging around, as I said. And let's see what it. So I basically draw these arrows. So basically two scenarios. So I know more or less how to react and where it could go. So And as we can see, first it went and grabbed this liquidity below, and you can see basically till the tick. Obviously it went more down, but still pretty much repeated what I thought. And the bounce was pretty quick and strong. Okay, so let's get back to our current situation, what we have now. Oh, this liquidity pocket was today early in the morning, so it got targeted. For now, I didn't check where liquidity is. Unfortunately, on TradingView you cannot see it, but I will add it and probably will publish on my Crypto Yalla Twitter account, X account, you can say. So check it out. The link will be in the description below. So yeah, I will, after this video, I will check where liquidity is and provide it on my Twitter account. Okay, so basically the main thing is that Bitcoin for now, Bitcoin is at a great, big, strong level of resistance. It's here. So it's a weekly chart, weekly candles, and we can see that this area, basically this area was previously it's like a breakdown area, you can say, and it was traded a lot during our bull phase earlier. So when we were in December, November, so basically till the almost the end of February, we were trading in this area, and you can see by this graph, this chart, a lot of bitcoins and a lot of buyers were here. So a lot of people bought in this area. So you can expect that if when we bounced back, these people, some people from here who bought earlier, they will be willing to sell. So this creates this area of resistance. So just keep in mind that it will not be so easy, in my opinion, to break this resistance from the first attempt. So what we can do from here, what Bitcoin can do from here, is basically retest this area around 88.5, 87,000, and come back to try to break this resistance again. Or more bullish scenario, let's go to the daily. More bullish scenario is let's delete this. It's just distracting us. More bullish scenario, let's continue this. It's still not broken, so we can expect that this will cause some resistance. One more bullish scenario will be if Bitcoin will hang around here. Maybe we'll try again. Maybe we'll grab this area that is resting here. We'll grab this liquidity, get more power, and finally breaks this zone of resistance. But anyway, I would say that a lot of negativity were coming. A lot of negativity was coming on my feed, on my Twitter. So I'm on Twitter every day, analyzing news, reading a lot of mind working going through my head. So what I wanted to say that many news were coming, negative news, negative signals from the global market, from the macro environment, and still we are at very high levels on Bitcoin. So we can conclude that the market is strong. The market is strong, and shorting this market, I don't have a big desire to short this market. So I would rather jump in after we break this level, or I will be looking for some point where I could jump again. So I caught some move here, not the whole move, but still. And let's see another coin, one coin that blown my mind. Oh yeah, you can see here. So basically, this is Ripple. I don't get it, guys. I don't get it. Why Ripple is so? I don't know. Who's not? Who can tell me? Who can tell me why this coin is worth more than 100 billions? I still don't get it. I have been in the market since 2017, and still I don't get this coin. A lot of people are holding it, so I was trying to short it once, got out basically at break even. Then a few days ago was my second attempt to short it, and basically I got somewhere in the middle of this move. Still, when I have an opportunity, when the market structure changes, when the market structure breaks on this coin, I will be willing to short it. I still don't see it traded so high. Okay, anyway, for now I decided to leave it, see what market show me, and then we'll reassess my approach to this market. Okay, let's jump to the third coin, my lovely Hype. So Hype, who doesn't know, it's a coin of a decentralized exchange, Hyperliquid, and it's very strong. The team behind it is very professional. I will not be talking too much about this coin, this decentralized exchange. If you would like, drop the comment below and we will take a look at this coin more detailed in the future. So for now, this coin is trading at it's holding its value basically at the top of this whole move, and this is basically the first time when the coin is going up, and I have this I have spot of this coin, but still just imagine. Still, I want it to go down. So basically, I want my spot to go down. So basically, so in this case, I will be happy to load this coin more. I will be happy and willingly to buy this coin even more. So that's why I want this coin to go down, and still I have a lot of spot in this coin. So you, oh my God! I hope you got me. I hope you got me correct. Okay, let's see what S&P is doing. S&P is our macro index. So S&P is doing good. S&P is doing great, even though Besant was giving negative comments, basically not negative, but he was trying to cope somehow when he was asked about China and about tariffs on China. Also, he said that yeah, we are talking, but I cannot confirm whether President Trump talked to somebody or not. So he's not so sure what to say, and basically after his comments the market went down first, and when the market it's like it was pre-market, and when the market opened it basically reversed all this so it's here, all this sell-off. It reversed and traded a little bit above, a little bit higher. So S&P is strong, the macro is strong, even though a lot of negativity are coming. A lot of people are understanding now that tariffs probably are not priced in fully. We will see. So my conclusion is that we should be bullish, but still very careful with the market, because as you know, it can change its way at any point of time. So be careful, and if we get a lower drop lower, I will be seeking to find a good point for a long. Okay, take care of yourself and see you next time. Bye.